Air fried pork belly tacos with F and Sharp. Visit fnsharp.com for how-to videos such as how to cut cabbage. Using pre-bagged coleslaw blend, I'm still gonna chop it down finely. For a little bite in the slaw, aka some heat, I'm just gonna cut up some red jalapeno, which has just sat in the sun longer than a green jalapeno. You can either leave the seeds in or remove them. Then I'll just slice up some scallions to go in for that nice mild onion flavor. Then we'll go ahead and roll the fibers of a lemon, cut that in half, add our mayo, a little bit of heavy cream, the fresh lemon juice, some sugar, salt and pepper. Get that thoroughly combined, set it aside. Heat up some tortillas. Once that pork belly in the air fryer is done, go ahead and assemble. I like to lay down that coleslaw, that way the tortillas can soak up a little bit of that extra juice. Then we'll go ahead and top that with that air fried juicy pork belly that's been marinated. Visit fnsharp.com for this recipe and more. Enjoy.